Ningol Chako was celebrated across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety. And Works Minister Thongam Biswajit asserts peace will bring development to our society. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Hiangaigi Nini Pamba Ningol Chakova was observed across the state today. On this day, the married women of Manipur go to their parental homes for a feast and receive gifts from their parents and brothers. In short, this festival honors the love between the siblings of a household.
Sayang dang ngak panina yam harawe ibung gaina sa ka huse yam harawe sak samina uduna khoi gi nungai boy dokhana gi wafam leite moi angamba dokhana khara tawdo aduna yam pam ibung yam samina uduna pamje
Yam nungai jai ado sahi amda yamna tangna thokpa Ningol Chakauba si dakhina se ado sigi hidana bama yauri se masidi yamna phatte akogi mabung mapa singsina su mai areiba angamba pibiba akogi chanabi se lainana bagi yoktuna thamda bai damakta akogi hanagi ipai puna chanaramba poche si khatang akoi na preserve tawdana thamani Ningol Chakauba numit lak si ibungo sam nungai kare masidane akhoi Ningol jingna sahi chu pangai jeri si akhoi silinaw mayam unadana wari watai sanadana harau khara samina base si phangba yam nungai jai mayam tongnaba ngamgani ngamoi khangdaba nuksina baromda satre haijariba jikan gi chakano sidi dakhina sidi bor pitharam doin nungai riba khara sidagi hena nungai ba hena nungai bo oijaro ena chahi khuding pulap nungai minari sakhwat minara si na bor pitharam dorim ni akhoi myam na ningon jam yam akhoi di.
Fish was the main course for the meal today, while chikkal was also prepared at other households. Other Manipuri dishes like iromba were part of the course. Few women did not go to their parental homes on the occasion due to deaths in the family. Brothers and sisters together at the feast was the main part of the festival. After the feast, brother presented gifts to the sisters.
Manipur ko adi chawba Ningol Chakauba lakpasida ai isada yam nungaiba phawe ado isamakti chatpadi phangdare ko yumda leitaba ma yawbanina ado chatringai se chani inamma mayam kaubaje akoi ngasigi inamma mayam kauda harauta yamna dum kano taw hai tari isada nungaiba phawe dakhana se yamdaba amamam angamba khara tawre
sahi mada mungtang thokpanina Ningol jingje lakpada koi yam isada ko nungaiba kano tawba ma phawi astakina de yam khare khoi di piba manga ni na ba ado khoi ngamja ba adu di haide
nga su kumsi se muk tang manga di leite ne khale adu nga si ki mahuta yeloi sa ne na yeloi na di tawre nusiraba magi mabung opa masi manau singna magi sahi magi amutang tholokpa ngamjaba khradang kachaba se sida khoi isa isu sing Ningol jing kena yami yamde haiba wai je thadok pire haraga piriba mabung mapa singna mapa singna piriba khudol lo harau tayamna puraga magi mayum means magi mayum panba kanu hanjagi bhai se masina khoi khwai apelmani haidana penbiu haidana masigi wahijim tagde ai haijining ai
as aina khanbada dine se dokhina yam daba khoi gi numitu gi oiba yam nushina chamatang chamina bado admaina pamme ayu ene da dumo to pamje sahi khudingi ana ai yaudaba na de yektana nungai ai phana dum chak charam chamina ba smain to ba nungai ai phana lamina ba do haijani
es yam nungai phawi singna habda sahi amagi mangdam tang lakpani ise sing adagi aigi yamai macha nupi sing mogi macha sing habade issue sing loimak lai sing ningon chako si lakpada koi dokhina gi lamjin tan da bidai shu ai angamba koi yam paijab suna sa de na angamba chimchamba khudolom thamjari si ni.
All Manipur Ethical Socio-Cultural Organization (AMESCO) today organized 24th Ningol Chakoba celebration at Iboyaima Sumanglila Sangland Palace compound. Speaking at the event, Work Minister Thongam Bishwajit said peace will bring development to our society. He said Manipur is a place where several communities reside together and development is possible only if there is peace. Urging the people to be united, the minister said we can find peace only when we understand and respect each other. Minister Biswajit also greeted the women for more than 20 different communities attending the function and wished them joy and happiness. Community leaders and women for more than 20 communities attended the function.
ngasi aikoi dagi chat khriba aikoi gi isal aikoi gi ine masi puna maksing sisu mabul mapana yum da nong ta or su ningchang da budi or moi aikoi su nupa ne thab mayam am silli adu tongan ba mayam am thoi adu bu aikoi ningchang ngi ha sim su aikoi mayam da message thamningi lairi ba mabung mapana ningon chako bula ko matam da ai gi pihau da ba ai apam ba i chen jing se jing da pi gi ha gi wakhal lei adu bu lairi ba chako bagi maung da namada aikoi gi ahin ba akoi tanaba adugo yum da maung masen competition tawnadana khina pirakpasi competition tawse masigi habit che thadoksi.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Person Manipur organized a festival for the disabled and for those who stay at orphanages. The event was held at the residence of the advisor of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Person Manipur and politician Sapam Kunjakeshwar alias Keba. An awareness program on empowerment of persons with disabilities was also held on the occasion.
समाज लेबिरिबा सोइनायरबा इचासिंग मरुपांसिंग इचनसिंग पुनमक्सिबो अमंगम खरदंग कोइन खुदोन पिजाबा दुगा सिदा कौ जबदा लाकपिरिबा तोगान तोगांबा जगादगी लाकपिरिबा तोगांबा कोई जाति हाइजबा तारे मदु पांगन इचिना ओइसनो कबु इचिना ओइसनो कुकी इचिना ओइसनो नेपाली इचिना ओइसनो पुनमक ओइन सिदा हराउ त्यामन लाकपिदना तौरिबसिना ताई मदुदि मणिपुर दा इंटीग्रिटी कायरोय मणिपुर की नुसिनबसे मसे अदम लेहौगनि हाइबसे ngasiगी फंक्शन सिना चावरबा ममी म ताई हाइबदा हाइमन बथोलो.
On the auspicious day of Ningol Chakoba, Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Namcha Kipgen graced the closing ceremony of the first Kampokpi District Widows Welfare Society Hunghing na retreat camp held at Kampokpi Christian Church, KCC Kampokpi. Addressing over 100 widows of the district, she said, being the lone women minister in the state government, she feels deeply connected and associated with all the women of the state. She urged all the women present on this occasion not to be disheartened and to believe in oneself so they can contribute to the welfare and development of the society. Salai Apunba Nupi Lamjing Loop Sanuland celebrated the festival at Hairanggoitong Multipurpose Hall today. Sanuland presented blankets, beddings, shirts, trousers, rice, notebooks, pens, pencils, etc. to the prodigal children home boys of Chiral Kuno and Hof Home girls of Takyal Kongpal Maning. Speaking to media person, Sanuland advisor Yumnam Ebeto asserted that the organization has been organizing Ningol Chakoba for the destitute every year.
Masigi lamtam sida leiba sinem home sing amadi ningoloi bi punamak siga sarata minalaga saksa minaba saram ta sunong minaba haiba se sanurang gi leng de pandam ni akhoi home jako basida sida ratana kanglai pak sida gi palem panthau na thaira huntok pirama bi ibungoi pana sarna jako gi batol lak traba leijadraba asigum mayam sida ima hoina makhoi gi mahus sinduna sanurana malem da hek hingdana leiringai matam sida lep palaitana ningon chakob ge thorom se sathajara khini akhoi kathok pada haleng balaitraba hom jingji gi makhoi bu karai de mang khidage na senari ba hom gi founder ani se makhoi si atuki mati kanglai pak sta makhoi gum basina masing yam thogla ba matamda isa singi mamitagi mapita roi da ba mahi masingi lambi da lamjen thaga da na kanjei hom da leiba angang sing sina lai lai su tamjaba matamda haiha secondary gi thak to wegera school gi thak to wegera Makoidagi, Akoigi, Pasanungcha, Minjan Se Lobigano, Adoga Log the Yadra by Sukulanduna, Matang Chadabal Waragadi, Akoi Sanarangi, Ima Singa, Atumba secondary Singina, Tolo Pinaikon, a day cote and Highway Ragadi, Akoida, Sanbalak Matamda, Salagi Ming Season Abiu.
Struggle Committee Manipur SCM organized Ningol Chakoba for the Ningols of different communities at Thangmei Tau ground today. Speaking on the occasion, SCM co-convener CH Ibohan said the event was organized with an aim to bring unity amongst the people of Hill and the Valley. He said Ningol Chakoba is celebrated to strengthen the bond of love between brothers and sisters.
Aigi ming se Mamtaz kawe Thawbal Phaudil dagine ai samak se Muslim community oraga su community khuding maki jati khuding maki chakkoba gi thoram se sideida baton phangjaba yaujaba phangba sise yamna duki matik nungai akoi gi imalai bak se leiminari ba koi khuding mak se ama khatani haina jat bijar khaidana chakko birak pase haining ai leitana nungai
ai ming se mayamna di thoibi na dum khangnai Karam prop kine ho prop mayam smai polaga smai na Ningol Chakoba na sinbi base ngang thok pan natana thaba oina smai na pang thupi base wakhanda harau bayam nungai ba mana phawe hai Chakoba bu sinbi ba khoi gi piba mayam se smai na nungsi jana na punsi Ningol sang na laimin si hai ni
The Canada hen athoi hen tanar pugi polama Manipur samaj da hujik sathari posa ison committee na madu tarai na logde marum di keno da aikhoi gi sanabi da imung manungi machin manaugi nungsinaba machin mokpa amagi nungsinaba mama mapa singi nungsinaba polo dugi thadai thayai na rakanda aikhoi Dakhana gi polom da hidana bugi polom la ibsa masimadi aikoi laibak thibani manumaduna aikoi ni skan committee ni sinjari bisidi atei nate aikoi gi Manipur ta sajari ba iong na sajaba aikoi gi Manipur to thoksaba potho osa aikoi ningon da tamjana bugi adumba pandam amasu jawri
aigi mingse.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news update. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A person who was admitted to Jenims after he was found lying unconscious at Papal Lamkai Kongjom has died. The person has not identified yet. According to Impact News sources, passersby informed Khongjom police after he was found lying on the road around 1 yesterday afternoon. Khongjom police picked up the person and admitted him to the Thawal District Hospital and was later taken to Janims yesterday. He passed away around 4 this evening. The person is about 50 years old, dark complexioned and appears to be a Nepali. As celebrated every year on October 21st, the Marine community of Manipur today celebrated Lamtlai Festival in anticipation for harvest. Villagers of Laiching Kasang village in Technopole district celebrated the traditional Marine Lamtlai festival with traditional fervor and gaiety. Lamtlai is a festival of protecting the environment and maintaining it neat and clean. Villagers cleaned out their surroundings and performed Marine War dance as part of the celebration. Manipur joined the world in observing the 200th birth anniversary of Baha'i faith founder Baha'u'llah today. Local spiritual assembly of Baha'is of the Imphal organized the observance at GM Hall. The observation will be held for 2 days. MU Professor W. Navakumar, Human Rights Alert Executive Director Loitongbom Bablu, and Auxiliary Board Member of the Continental Boards of Councillors of the Baha'is of Asia, Dr. Koizum Tongba, attended the observance. The closing ceremony will be attended by Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jentukumar and many others tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Ningol Chako was celebrated across the state with traditional fervor and gaiety. And Works Minister Thongam Biswazit asserts peace will bring development to our society. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for the primetime Manipuri news coming up right after this bulletin. Good night.